Off.
51 years old, Lake Nakuru National Park is known as a bird watcher's paradise. With the elephant being the only one of the big five missing here, it is one of the most popular national parks in the country. But wildlife officials at the park have not been at ease since the 29th of last month.
There was a buffalo that died. We took the samples to the regional lab at Nakuru, and when tested, they confirmed that it had died of anthrax.
Anthrax is an infectious disease caused by bacteria. Found naturally in the soil, it commonly affects domestic and wild animals. Since the 29th of last month, 10 buffaloes have died at the Lake Nakuru National Park.
7 of them, of course, we can confirm through the lab analysis, but 3, of course, through signs. They bleed through the crevices and the openings. And we also had a carcass of a waterbuck. I think that one, it was just natural death.
The carcasses of the buffaloes were disposed of through burning as a way of mitigating the spread of the disease.
And so what we are doing now is that we are doing both ground and aerial rec to ensure that we find any carcass that is fresh, because a buffalo that dies of anthrax, and unfortunately, if it is found by scavengers, it is in the bird, and so it contaminates the environment, and that's what we are avoiding.
As officers move to contain the disease among the buffaloes, there is an even bigger worry: the safety of rhinos and Rothschild giraffes, which are endangered species.
We don't want those species to be infected. What we're doing is that currently, for the last 3 days, we've been vaccinating these species, especially the white rhinos, because they easily interact with buffaloes that are most affected. So that's the current situation. We are managing the situation.
It is not the first time there is an anthrax outbreak at the park. In the year 2015, 100 buffaloes and 2 rhinos died of anthrax.